To install the Mac Remote Support Agent for Un1teee, you'll go to your Downloads folder. Typically, that's going to be down in the bottom right-hand side beside the trash can. There'll be a Downloads folder. You'll click on it, and what you're looking for is the ConnectWise Control Client Setup package. Go ahead and click on that. All of these messages are normal, so we'll say Done. The next thing we need to do is come up to the Apple menu and click on System Settings. And from here, we need to go to the Privacy and Security settings. And if you scroll down, at the bottom here, you'll see ConnectWise Control Client Setup was blocked. In this case, you're going to click on Open Anyway. Click on Open Anyway one more time. And if you have Touch ID set up, go ahead and use Touch ID, or else enter your Mac password. Now the install is ready to run. Click on Continue and install. Now it's going to ask you for your Mac password. Go ahead and put that in. Now several prompts are going to come up. Don't be alarmed, we'll just walk you through how to do this. The main screen that you're interested in is this one that's sort of in the background that says Review System Access. There are two permissions that need to be granted for the remote support agent to work properly. Let's start with this screen that's in front though, this dialog box. We're going to say allow. Okay, then the install program comes back. So this is where it can get potentially confusing. Different things are happening and they're not happening sequentially. It's okay to go ahead and click close on this, and it is okay to move this to the trash. Now we want to come and click on the screen that I said that was important, the Review System Access. All you have to do is click on the title bar and bring that to the front. Next, we're going to click on the Request Screen Access under the screen recording on the left side. This dialog box pops up and we're going to click on Open System Settings. You'll see this entry here for ConnectWise Control with a bunch of numbers. That's the one we're looking for, and you're going to click the switch that's here on the right side. Toggle that on. Go ahead and put your password or your Touch ID in to allow it. For this step, it is okay to say quit and reopen. Right, they want system access, that's okay. Just make sure that it says ConnectWise Control. Right, it's okay to allow this. This is actually necessary for this program to work properly. Now you'll see that under screen recording, that access has been granted. There's one more step that needs to be done, and on the right side, under accessibility, we need to do this piece as well. So you click on the request access, and this time note that it is accessibility that shows up. Same thing with the ConnectWise Control and a set of numbers. We're going to allow this as well. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to come back and click on the title bar of the Review System Access that's now in the background, and you can see that it shows that it's granted. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the way Apple does its software updates, it resets the security periodically. So this is a process that you may periodically need to come back and do again as the Mac goes through its various software updates or upgrades. Save this video in case you need it for future use. For now, it's okay to click on Dismiss, and you can close the System Settings window, and we have finished this install.